आज हम लोग ने निफ्टी ट्रेड किया. दिस इज़ आवर डे 1 ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग आर एवरी ट्रेड. आज हम लोग ने एक ही ट्रेड किया बट इट वेंट फॉर क्वाइट लॉन्ग. हम लोग नॉर्मली सुबह के फर्स्ट 5 मिनट रेंज ब्रेकआउट कैंडल फॉलो करते हैं. सो वी स्टार्टेड विथ हेयर, बट उसके बाद कोई रेंज ब्रेकआउट करने के बदले इट स्टार्टेड गोइंग ऑन साइडवेज until this candle where there was a big rejection of yesterday's, and it started the follow up with a strong candle. What I did is I punched a sell order, I bought a put here at exactly this candle. Now mostly at my time for the trade was, if I'm not wrong, 9:49. So yeah, almost at the closing of this candle. Now for the next two candles I was in profit. Now at this point I knew, I've already marked that this was my 1 hour resistance, but I was supposed to book my profit here. I was getting the profit of almost 20 points, which I believe with 200 quantities was 4,000. That was like a good ROI, but I didn't book. I don't know for whatsoever, and this video is completely for that purpose, so that in the long term we understand that what are the mistakes we normally do as a trader. I just expected to go it more down, so I didn't book, very simply. Then I waited here. It went. The second mistake which I did, I know that this was a selling point completely, like this exact was a selling line for me. When it came here, I was like, okay, I was very hopeful that trade got rejected in first place in the morning. वहाँ से rejection आया तो वापस से दोपहर second half में rejection आएगा. So I waited there as well, and there it started the lost journey. It started from couple of thousands, and till this point it's got into consolidation from the afternoon 12 o'clock. ये point में I was facing a loss of almost 12,000. Luckily there was a breakout here, breakdown, sorry, for this, how do I put it? So I'm quite good with following the rectangle patterns. So once the rectangle was broken, I was like very hopeful, and to bring the average down, I have added 100 more quantities. So I was trading with a total of 300 quantities. My average was now down to 107 from 120. Now till this point, if I'm not wrong, our candle has reached 107 at this tick, that is of 2 o'clock. So this 2 o'clock, this is the 2 o'clock candle, in which we have the high of 106, which was close to my buying. But हर बार की जैसे it was like हम लोग थोड़ा भी loss क्यों दे, so we didn't booked there as well, and there it started the ultimate guilt trip, because second ही candle उसका आधा पूरा retrace हो गया, and somewhere here I believe time is 2:43. So somewhere on this candle I finally gave up on the trade and booked it. We booked a total of 10,000 rupees loss. So this is my trade. As you can see, started with 119 in the morning, and then we added more at 83. That brought our average down to 107, and then we were quite sure that एक बार वो 106 पे गया तो वापस जाएगा, तो हम लोग ने ऑर्डर डाला था, but we have to cancel it because वो कभी नहीं गया, and then finally we sold it at 73. This is my overall positions for today. We faced a 10,275 rupees loss, which is quite a big loss, to be honest. For a trader like us who trade under 40,000 rupees, that is like 30% capital blown away. But I'm not a new trader. I know that this phase has come and gone, and yeah, we'll recover it. We'll try to make sure that tomorrow, with the help of this video at least, we don't repeat the same mistake again. I'm not going to estimate, or I'm not going to predict anything about tomorrow कि क्या होगा कल मार्केट में, but I'll make sure कि whatever happens I don't repeat the same mistakes. I'll make sure कि if my strength is the range breakout thing, the first 5 minutes of the rectangle breakout, I'll take good use of it and I'll sell on stop loss. I believe there are many people, many traders, thousands and lakhs of traders, I'll say millions of traders in that case, facing the same issue. Learn from it. If you're facing the same thing, it is not you alone. But yeah, with the video coming forward, we'll try to make sure that we don't repeat the same mistake again. And yes, we'll try to be a bit better trader in 2024. That's all for today. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.